Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Audition as a free trial on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Adobe Audition in the search bar. Press enter and click on the official Adobe website link that says Download Free Trial. Adobe provides a 7-day free trial for Audition. Depending on the plan, it may extend up to 14 days. You can use the app completely free during this trial period and cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid charges. Once the page opens, select Audition and click Continue. You'll also see an option for Creative Cloud All Apps. This includes Audition along with other Adobe tools like Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop. Click Continue again and choose any plan. Don't worry, this is just for trial purposes, and the amount will show as $0. Now proceed to the payment section. Enter your credit or debit card details. Adobe will display the trial terms. Billing begins automatically after the trial ends, but you can cancel anytime before the end date, for example, before August 9th, to avoid being charged. Once done, your 7-day free trial for Adobe Audition will begin. You can now start editing audio, mixing tracks, or producing podcasts using professional-grade tools. And that's it. That's how you download and activate the Adobe Audition free trial on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.